Are you searching for a fraud prevention app to protect your online store on ThirtyBees platform? FraudLabs Fraud Prevention app is your solution. FraudLabs screens all your orders by using backlist-based algorithm with machine learning and various types of fraud validation like IP address, shipping or billing address, credit card, and so on. After that, FraudLabs groups the order into approved, reject, or review category and generates a fraud report for your analysis. Based on the report, you can easily determine which order may be fraudulent by looking at FraudLabs fraud score and other analysis details. Furthermore, you can customize your own validation rules and flag a high-risk order for manual review. FraudLabs can also cancel the order automatically if it was marked as high risk. You can perform buyer's phone authentication by using SMS verification feature. Is this comprehensive fraud prevention solution free? Yes, FraudLabs Fraud Prevention is absolutely free for 500 validation queries per month. You just need to sign up for a free plan, install the free FraudLabs plugin, enter the API key, and configure the settings. Sign up FraudLabs Fraud Prevention for free now to secure your online business on ThirtyBees.